It takes guts to believe. And if you think something's gonna do it for you without you putting your guts on the line, you might as well forget it right now. You're so scared of failing, you don't even want to get your hopes up. And if you don't get your hopes up, you might say, well, what if they get their hopes up and somebody gets disappointed? How many disappointments have we experienced in our business careers and in our lives? The difference is some people take disappointment, let it destroy them. Other people take disappointment, let it drive them. And you get to choose. Are you going to turn this thing into why it didn't work and a bunch of stories and excuses? Or are you going to take this thing that didn't work and figure out what are you going to do to make it work? And it may not happen the first time, the second time, the third time, but the people that are relentless find a way. What I hope is people watching the stuff, maybe something in here will piss them off enough or remind them of something or say there is a plan and it isn't just luck. And if I just get my big enough why and I keep learning and keep moving forward, I will get there.
Welcome back, Dr. Todd here. Video number 2, what future role will freight brokers play? As a freight broker, there are many things to keep tabs on. For example, it's vitally important to stay on top of changes in legislation, which happen quite often. You must also keep an eye on every aspect of the business that could either negatively or positively impact profits, such as the cost of fuel and the emergence of new technology. Keep an eye on what's trending in a good way to ensure your business grows in the future. Some trends might seem far away, but you'd be surprised on how soon they will appear. Below are a number of trends to really keep an eye on. Starting off, autonomous technology. The biggest benefit of autonomous technology is being able to receive more specialized data, which results in better reliability and lower the cost to your clients. It will allow you to identify where the biggest savings can be achieved, help to reduce potential incidents on the road, and make shipments more reliable. This will make the whole logistics industry more predictable. The addition of new technology in trucks will enable more accurate and detailed data collection, which will help cut costs and make better predictions when it comes to shipping times. This will provide a massive benefit to everybody in the industry, such as brokers, carriers, and shippers alike. So it's a development to keep your eyes on. Self-driving trucks are coming out. Self-driving trucks may seem like something from Back to the Future, but they're getting close to being on our roads every year. The information freight brokers need to know is what impact they'll have on our operations and ultimately their profits. At the moment, the current technology still requires a real human being to be present in the driver's seat so that they can keep an eye on things in case they go wrong. This may continue to be the case for a number of years, at least until autonomous technology has all the small kinks and bugs ironed out. The cost associated with drivers' wages is increasing, as there's a shortfall of drivers in the industry, which means that carriers are willing to pay more to get drivers in the seats. Logistics companies are weighing up the huge financial savings they could benefit from if they invest in this new technology once it's ready. The price of fuel is always a factor. The price of fuel is a factor that's always fluctuating. However, in general, it's easy to see which way fuel prices are trending. The cost of fuel is predicted to remain fairly cheap, mainly due to the stability of the overall market. In part, this is because of the large amount of domestic OPEC production and expanding fracking operations in the U.S. Having said that, however, when major world events happen, such as the COVID-19 crisis that we know have just recently happened, or if there's a crisis going on somewhere, the fuel prices change dramatically, rendering previous predictions useless. Events such as war, pandemics, there it is right there, economic sanctions, and changes in the markets all impact the price of oil. To better protect yourself, it would be a smart move to keep up to date with the latest global issues that could have any sort of impact on the price of fuel. This is Dr. Cam Todd saying, until next time on video number 3, I'm signing off. Good luck and make it a great day.